Did you finish cleaning the CPU?
No.
Well, you do that.
I didn't got to the alcohol bit.
You do the alcohol bit.
I've never done clean with the alcohol.
You get a tissue.
Right.
Fold it in half, fold it in half, fold it in half.
Right.
Take the top off the alcohol.
Right.
Pull it out, then take the top off the alcohol. Put the tissue over the top. Tip. Tip. Wipe.
Right. That's what I was waiting for, you see. Is one enjoying the motions?
I love the motions.
Right, so...
No, pull it up first. I literally just explained this to him. You all heard me say, pull it up.
I did pull it up.
Pull it up. No, that's pulled up.
It's also teared.
Yeah, it leaks. Ignore that.
Sure, that changes how it works.
Yeah, it just makes you get really high. It's a very strong smell. You'll smell it in a second.
Yeah, in a second.
Yep, it hit me.
Try like...
Right about now.
Try milliseconds.
Yeah, it's really strong stuff. Yep, and then again. Okay, yep. Yeah. Oh. Yay! right. What you do? I'll show you. Right, you fold your tissue up. You get your not your regular booze. This is isopropyl alcohol, 98%. I think.
Get your vodka.
It's stronger than vodka. It will kill you. It's the wrong kind of alcohol. Right, and then we get the tissue and we tip. We tip back.
Get it everywhere.
Don't worry, it dries really quickly.
It's burning! It's burning!
Yeah, pretty much. And you get your CPU and you wipe. You clean. Cleaning.
In the meantime, saying dude because you're constantly getting high.
Dude. It's the wrong kind of high. It's more the high that just makes your head hurt. Well, fine. I'll do this. Do you want to? Oh dear.
Want to
go and collect the radiators?
Radiators. Great.
Oh, it's
still in the shower.
Well, I haven't moved them.
Still nobody home, right?
Yeah. Was that a yeah? No one's home, or a yeah? Someone's now home. You'll find out in a minute. No one's home. Apart from me, obviously. Everyone else went out. They went shopping in Newcastle. I want to say Newcastle. I'm not sure, honestly. Couldn't tell you. They did something as a family, which I'm not invited to. It's because I was busy doing this, to be fair. Like, it's not like they didn't invite me because they don't like me. I mean, I was just busy. Dear me. Well, meant to be busy doing this, but this took too long to do. So now we're busy doing this, waiting for them to get back. They're going to come back and go, what the hell are you doing? And we're like, the thing we were meant to be doing all day, but we didn't do it all day. Because we're good people like that, you see. We're well organised. Had a lot drained out of them.
Yes. Excellent.
Okay, where's that bit on the bottom? There. Over there. Okay. This is not going to end well, Simon.
What's that?
You with the fucking thermal paste on my... Oh!
What?
I don't know. All the messages just moved.
Yes, Angry Turtle.
I think he was more concerned that you disappeared on him.
Lumus! Lumus, where'd you go? He was hurting me.
Well, we're about to find out if this is dead or not. Triangle, triangle. So we insert that there.
Do you know when Sleepless is recording? Recording what? Do you mean when he's next streaming? Here's an idea. Why don't you pull the CPU out now and see if it pulls the film, please, will it?
Probably won't. No, I didn't.
Going live? No, I don't know when he's next going live. I don't know any ideas about his holiday plans. The only time I know next is New Year's Eve.
Right. I need something really, really tiny and a steady hand.
Like a toothpick.
Toothpick's too big.
A wood chip.
How much wood? The wood chuck. Wood chuck.
Are you going to use a very sly bit of paper?
I'm going to use a piece of paper that is very thin, already cut, and absolutely nothing to do with smoking.
It's everything to do with smoking.
Not necessarily, Simon. I want to use that to either, one, smush the thermal paste in between the pins so it doesn't bother me, or the CPU, or get it stuck to this thermal paste and remove the said thermal paste. Either one I class as a result. Of course it has. I'm really confused about the people that talk to you.
Why?
Because he just says, of course it has, Lumus. Of course what has? Oh, the paper got anything to do with smoking.
Oh.
Right, got you.
They're responding to what we're saying. It's in real time.
It was just that I'm used to a delay, and I'm getting really confused because they're actually talking to me.
Yeah, Mixer has no delay shit. FTL. Fast and light.
Blah.
I'd like to point out the last time this guy streamed with me, I was on Twitch. So we are talking beyond 6 months ago.
Last time I streamed with you was when we built the other thing.
No, I think there's a bit before that was Assassin's Creed Chronicles.
I'm not sure when I last came up, to be honest. See, he keeps telling me these things, but I don't remember them.
The PC things. When he catches him in Berserk.
Probably. Pooping. Go do this one first, then this one. Because you got to do the bars in the right order with an X299 motherboard. By the way, I'm using the X299 Strix X299-E Gaming. I think that's the name of the board. Yes, not the XE, just the E, because the XE's got a different heatsink
Mega!
for the motherboard. Not the motherboard. The MOSFET. The MOSFET VRMs.
Hey Mega, how's it going?
Probably a lot better than it is for us.
Yeah, you can tell it's Mega because you can see he said yo, but above him the bot has a custom entry thing for him. So every time he enters, the bot will say that.
The guy that thinks he's God. Ha! You're not God. I'm God. We've had this conversation before. Question is, Simon, do I do liquid metal or thermal paste?
I still feel like I should be saying to liquid metal.
What have you done here? You just dribbled thermal paste all over my board or something.
Where?
There.
I'm not gonna lie, that looks like a little fancy logo to me.
No, you've just dribbled thermal paste everywhere.
Bastards.
clean off my bloody motherboard. CPU a good rub. Oh, nice circular motion. Slow and steady wins the race. Circle thing. Okay. Has he only just realised it's me? Are you really? God damn it, man. So yeah. Liquid metal or thermal paste? I say we should do thermal paste until it works. Then I can change it to liquid metal when I know it works.
Thermal paste. I'm guessing thermal paste is easier to change.
I don't know. I've never took liquid metal off.
Paste.
Paste it is. We agree with paste. Because then if it's dead, I can easily take it off again. If it's not, then liquid metal is a little bit easy.
I think it's out now as a unanimous. Or unanimous.
That's the one. Between us, we can make words.
Big boy words.
Our England skills are incredible.
England?
English. Shut up! I'm good human.
You caveman.
Arr. Okay.
British.
He's from Britain. He doesn't speak English. Okay. Me and my brother Carl both looked at each other. And we each said, okay. Played the first thing that came to our heads. Just so happened to be the worst
Don't
song
try
in
too
the
hard.
world.
You don't want to hurt your brain.
Who is Angry Turtle?
Viewer.
Well, I can... No. Really? A random...
It's just someone from Mixer.
Just a viewer, eh? Just a viewer.
Just a viewer. I don't know him in real life.
Then how the hell does he know me? Because he clearly knows me if he knows that thinking's going to hurt my brain.
No, you're just like me and Sleepless, and he's hanged out on both our channels long enough. Sleepless being Repo.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense now. I understand. I need to get other things.
He needs other things.
I need other things.
By the way, I'd like to point out how big this case is. You can see me leaning on it. It is on a table, but that is the bottom of the case. You can see. I'm 6'4". I'm standing and it comes up to my neck.
Two things, Mr. Simon.
Yes.
One, where's the Allen key?
Possibly under this.
Quite possibly, yes. It's alright, there's another one here. I have lots of them. They're like everywhere now. But I want to make sure these are tight. The last thing I want to do is have my water block leaking again.
Why are you giving us weird looks? They're giving us weird looks.
It's fine. As long as they understand that I will do absolutely nothing about it.
And in it goes. Why is that still my timer command? That should be gone.
What?
I can't get rid of it because my bot's on the other page. God damn it!
What have you done?
Forget the bot said that.
Said what?
I don't use player.me anymore.
Use what?
It's like Twitter for the gamers. Players.me. It's like a kind of Facebook, Twitter-y thing, but it's all about gaming, gamers and shit.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good enough.
I literally only use them for their overlays now.
Now this is a tiny weeny piece of hose. When I say tiny weeny, I mean like it's absolutely minuscule. That I don't need anymore.
Emoji war!
See, it's like not even big enough for the bloody bracket to sit on.
Oh, wow. Was that the bit that was between the two pumps before?
Yes! Okay, now I need to
How
clean
you
the
got this
water
to
block.
work? It shocks me.
Why?
Because of how small it is.
Yeah, I had to put one between the graphics cards as well.
Right.
Which I've still got. I kept that one, so when I put it back in the loop, I don't have to try and make another one because it was really difficult. You closed the alchemy holes.
You put the lid on, so I thought we were done.
I put the lid on so it didn't keep evaporating. Does your head not hurt right now?
No.
Oh, mine's killing me.
And even then, I don't think putting the lid on would help with
Where's
the
that?
slit.
Shh, you actually don't need to take the lid off. If you leave the lid on, it'll make it easier because it'll only come out the slit. And it won't spray everywhere like it did before.
Careful with the spamming, people. No more than 7 emojis, please.
Do 8. You didn't hear me, right? You didn't hear me. We're
totally.
good.
He's here for his pot of potatoes.
Where did you put the goodness? Oh, it's under the table, isn't it? No. Where did you put the goodness?
What goodness?
No, I've got my fizzy goodness here. I'll use
Oh, you mean this goodness?
them ones. 1 minute. I'm gonna hide the logos. We don't want to get done with copyright. Refreshing, completely unnamed apple-flavoured fizzy drink.
Surprisingly, the slit idea worked.
What do you mean, surprisingly? Horrible person. Jesus, man. It doesn't matter which way they're facing anyway.
Because you're not going to see them.
You can't see them. I've got fucking pastel coolant, haven't I? You can't see through it. Boob. Should have known that, Simon.
You have this one. Like I say, be careful with the spammage, people. Careful with the spammage.
Oh, the spams!
Don't spam the chat too much. I don't mind you sitting there having an emoji wall, but don't do it too much.
How does an emoji wall even work? Like, who wins? Like, whoever's stubborn enough to keep going. Is that who wins?
I say no more than 7, please. I don't want the chat being flooded.
Well, it's too late. Look how flooded it is.
Well, the thing is, I can clear it.
He is here for his pot of potatoes.
It's an entry message for another streamer. So if I type in this,
Who?
No, you haven't yet. Boom.
Ah.
I just clear it like that. And it does for everyone, by the way. So everyone's chat's just been cleared.
Oh. Apart from the one that's on you.
No, apart from the ones on the screen, yeah.
Oh dear. He's back again. Need some thermal paste.
Now, not too much.
But
By the way, the streamer is Demon Eye. He's a fellow team member of mine. In fact, I can do this because he's probably in here somewhere.
no one's allowed to laugh at my concentration faced at thermal pasting, by the way.
Boink.
I have a very big syringe and I'm not used to handling big things.
There we go.
There we go, what? Demonada?
Demonada. He's another streamer who makes a good friend of mine. And he's also a team member of mine on New Stream Plus, which is a stream team I've put together with a website and everything.
Cool.